And so if I look at g, right, I can see that 1 is not in my domain, so I'm trying to plug in 1, so there's going to be an issue there. So if I just kind of throw it in to see what sort of issue I'm going to get, I get a radical 1 plus 3 minus 2 over 1 minus 1. So that's square root of 4 minus 2, so 2 minus 2 is 0 in the top, 0 in the bottom. We got an indeterminate form, which means we should try to cancel out this x minus 1 in the bottom since we have this transcendental rational function. All right, so here, although we could kind of be really fancy and try to factor that x minus 1, let's just multiply by conjugates here. So if we take the limit as x approaches 1, because I haven't taken any limits yet, I'm going to multiply by the conjugate of the radical. So that means, since I have an radical x plus 3 minus 2, right, this minus is where we get the conjugate from. So we're going to get a radical x plus 3 plus 2. And same thing in the denominator, radical x plus 3 plus 2. Right, so when we multiply these out, right, so radical x plus 3 times radical x plus 3, that's just going to give us x plus 3. I have a minus 2 times another positive 2, that's going to be a minus 4. And then, as always happens with conjugates, right, this minus 2 times radical x plus 3, this positive 2 plus radical x plus 3 just cancel out, so we don't even have to write them. And then, well, our denominators are still kind of just hanging out right there. All right, so then now when we simplify this top, positive 3 minus 4, that's going to be minus 1. And here's where our cancellation comes from. That cancels, that cancels. We have the limit as x approaches 1 of now just the 1 in the numerator, radical x plus 3 minus 4. When I plug in 1, I'm going to get 1 over square root of 4. Whoa, plus 2, with that come from? Plus 2, that would have been catastrophic. We would have broken math. So we're going to get 1 over square root of 4 plus 2. So that's going to be 1/4. And that's going to be our limit.